mga kabelen, this is Jim from Metro Clark Guide, where we guide you to new and exciting destinations here in Metro Clark. If you are a certified homebody, you're in for a treat. D Designs aims to fulfill your wish of a well-planned home in a bespoke design suited to your lifestyle. So stick around and let's get to know more about the business and the man behind the business. Oh, nanalo tapa. Let's go! Don Yu started as a freelance designer way back in 2014. And within that 8 years, D Designs was born. Over the years, he has helped homeowners who want to elevate, improve, and enhance their homes. He can guide clients with e-design, an online interior design consultation, or full interior design services from space planning to floor plans up to turnover. But his clients are not limited to interior home designing. He also offers his services to commercial spaces or industries like hospitality, restaurants, just to name a few. Here with me is the owner and founder of D Designs, Mr. Don Yu. Nanano tayo, Mr. Don?
Okay lang, ikaw.
Okay lang din. Okay, let's get right into it. So, pakilala muna natin kung sino si D Design. So, first of all, who or what is D Designs?
I've started this degree or yung idea na gusto ko mag-start nung high school pa lang ako. Naisip ko na I want to pursue sa fine arts kasi yun lang yung alam kong I can do best. And then, na-discover ko yung interior design. Then, nung na-discover ko siya, nagustuhan ko siya, and nagpursige ako, nag-aral ako ng kahit wala pa sa curriculum namin. Inaral ko na siya sa labas kasi sobrang eager ako matuto.
So, how many years have you been in the business?
I've been in the industry for 8 years. Nung pagka-graduate ko, nag-work na ako agad. After nung graduation, mga 1 to 2 months, may work na ako noon. And then, nag-gather ako ng information to different companies. Kasi ang goal ko is to establish yung design firm.
Why do you think interior design is very important in building something like a house or your business or an office?
Interior kasi siya yung pinaka-affected yung buhay natin. Kasi nasa loob tayo. Wala tayo sa labas. Not to ano yun naman yung mga engineer. Syempre sila yung structural. Pero para sa akin, yung everyday use, everyday function ng isang homeowner, nagre-relay dun sa interior design.
Share mo na rin sa amin, how do you do that process with your clients? So for example, I am a new homeowner din kasi, and I'm planning to have my house redesigned or remodeled in terms of interior. So how would you start that with a new client?
Pinaka-important question sa first meeting with clients or first conversation with client is, how do you want this space to be designed? Siyempre, yung mga bagay na nag-work sa akin, baka hindi pala katulad sa'yo. So, tatanungin ko yung mga wants and needs mo, yung mga likes mo, yung anong klaseng style na gusto mong mangyari dito, ano yung magiging function, kung gusto mo ba ng may commercial space, or gusto mo ba purely residential, or is this going to be a house na work from home. So, magsiset up ng ganon. Like for example, this house, dinesign namin to ng maliit lang yung kitchen. It's not as big as your typical kitchen, but andun na lahat ng kailangan ng client. Ang pinaka-nilakihan namin dito, kahit dalawa lang kami sa house, is yung dining. Kasi yung dining yung pinaka-heart of our home para sa amin. Kasi dito kami nag-work, dito kami kumakain. Basically, halos yung 80% or 50% ng day namin nandito na sa dining area.
Okay, continue about the decision-making na ginagawa ng mga homeowners. What about the lighting?
What is important about lighting is you have to have layers. You have to have ambient or general lighting, task light, and yung mga accent lights. Yung mga general lighting or ambient lighting, sila yung naka-light sila. Normal kang nang nagpa-function na nakikita mo pa rin lahat. Yung mga task light, very important yan. Kasi sila yung mga light na nakapagbigay, nag-i-illuminate dun sa current na ginagawa mo, nang hindi mo kailangan buksan lahat. Accent lighting naman is yung mga accent lights na nag-i-illuminate ng mga accent pieces. Like for example, you have a painting or dun sa isang wall, may wall sconce ka. Yun yung mga accent lighting na nag-stand out ng sila lang.
What is your advice on homeowners who are having second thoughts on hiring interior design experts for their home?
Sa akin, don't be intimidated. Kasi matagal ng image ng interior designers yung mahal ka, hindi kita afford, you're an extra cost lang na kayang-kaya ko naman gawin. Like, for example, you have a budget of 100,000. Ano ba naman yung 10 to 20,000 of that budget? Pero yung space planning mo naman, naayos na natin. Yung colors na ayos natin, yung lighting, very big effect for a very small amount of money. Yun din yung isa sa pinaka advice ko sa mga clients na we can help you cut cost dun sa mga unnecessary or unwanted na construction na hindi naman, parang yung pabago-bago ba ng isip. Like, eto gusto ko, yung may wall dito, pagtapos niyan, titibagin kasi gusto ko dito na pala siya. Yung mga ganong unwanted cost, kailangan talaga ma-plan siya.
So actually, it's my first time hearing about e-design. So can you walk us through it? What is it about?
Actually, yung e-design, nakalagay naman siya, I can send it to you, yung mga files ng mga paano pag-walkthrough. Pero, yun, same process pa rin. Tatanungin ko anong kailangan mo, what do you want for this space. Typical interior design, pero lahat online consultation. Like, sir, ano bang magandang paint colors dito? Saan ba dapat bumili ng gantong material? Anong material ang gagamitin ko dito? Sinong supplier yung pwede kong kuhanin or kung saan-saan man yung mga related sa design. Pwede ko yun ibigay lahat through online, through Messenger.
So we're down to our last question. Let's give some inspiration siguro to the people out there. With your 8 years of experience, what's the best advice for up-and-coming interior designers naman?
For my advice, pursue mo lang yan. Iba pag yung passion mo is yung ginagawa mo. Sabi nga nung iba, nakita ko lang sa internet na you don't have to work every day kung yung ginagawa mo is gusto mo. Pero syempre may ups and downs. Pero hindi natin maiwasan yun. It's part of the process or it's normal. Hi, I'm Don. I'm here to elevate, enhance, and improve your home.
Wow. Alright, thank you, Sir Don. Say goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
Remember, your house or your property is an important investment, not only in value, but also in its entirety. So, design it wisely. For free design tips, you can follow D Designs on their social media channels such as their Facebook page. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels so you can check out more new and exciting places here in Metro Clark. Again, this is Jim from Metro Clark Guide and I'll see you again next time. Bye!